Hello everyone! Isa sa pinakapaborito kong trip ngayon ay magluto gamit ang air fryer kasi sobra niyang daling gamitin. And today we are making 2 recipes. Ito bagay ito sa Chinese New Year. Kaya simulan na natin!
Simple, luto na,
So today we are making Chinese style roast chicken with a honey glaze. Sobrang daling gawin. And we will start off with leg quarter. So, meron akong 3 leg quarter. Trim off the excess fat. Yun ang ginagawa ko. Para maganda siya for presentation later. And what I will do para mas maluto yung loob niya, eto, just find the joint and we will score. No? We will score the joint. Ayan, no? And we will season it very easy. So, we have salt and soy sauce. No? So, these are around 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I'm also adding here Chinese wine. Kung walang Chinese wine, don't you worry, no? Pwedeng wala. But I'm just adding like a tablespoon of wine. And I will add my aromatics. So, meron akong luya dito. I will just slice it into thin pieces. And ito, kahit mga 15 minutes na marinade, pwede na siya. Star anise, then garlic. 3 cloves of garlic, which I will slice also. Ayaw ko siya i-mince kasi pag mince siya, the small pieces didikit sa skin and masusunog siya in our air fryer. So, I will just cut it very thinly to infuse that garlic flavor. Because everything there. Leeks, cut diagonally. And we will marinate this for around 15 minutes. Black pepper. Ayan. And later on, as it cooks, ang sarap nito. We will make a very nice sweet and salty honey glaze. Ayan. Toss natin, no? So, we will leave this for a few minutes to marinate. And I will also work on my shrimp. I'll just wash my hands. May gunting ka, just trim off yung mga whiskers niya. And the size of my air fryer, you look at that, tamang-tama lang siya to cook a portion for a small family. So ito siya, what I will do, I will also season my shrimp with a little bit of soy sauce. And ito siya, inom ako ng konti ha, yan. Clear soda. For that sweetness, to bring out that sweetness, and black pepper. Yun lang siya. Very simple. And I will prepare ang aking topping niya later. So, ito puro lang tayo marinate for now. Let it rest. Ito siya, sobrang bilis lang ng ating pag-marinate nitong ating shrimp and ang ating chicken. Yan. So, while that's marinating, ito yung ginagawa ko just to teach you. Ito, I learned this from one of the followers na sabi nila, para hindi daw dumikit yung chicken, is i-preheat mo daw yung inyong air fryer. I will remove it now. Yan. Before I will put my chicken legs, ito yung aking mga aromatics. Ito mga ricados ko. I will just put it under. Ang maganda dito sa air fryer na to, meron kasi siyang, alam mo pa, ng drip pan. So, all the juices, all the marinade will drip under. So, you can make a nice sauce or gravy from the drippings. Yan. Yan. Ating gagawin dito, we make sure that we expose as much of the skin as possible because we want that to be crispy. Drizzle our marinade over. So, you can marinate this overnight better. Ito siya, 15 minutes, pwede na rin siya. I am now ready to cook my chicken in my Camel air fryer. And if you want to get your air fryer, it's available on Lazada. Turn it on, put it at 200 degrees, and I will cook it for 25 minutes. But halfway through, the last 5 minutes niya na maluto, dun ko na ilalagay yung aking honey glaze para hindi siya masunog. Pero in between, babalik ta rin ko siya para mag-brown din yung likod, no? So, let's do that. So, while my chicken is cooking, gagawin ko yung aking chili ginger paste, no? Pero ito siya, hindi ko pa lulutuin yung aking shrimp kasi mabilis naman siyang maluto. So, gagawin ko muna yung aking pang-topping. Ito pang masarap talaga tong ating flavors ito. So, I have my camel chopper. Yan, di ba? Sinabi ko na dati, ito yung favorite ko. Kasi sobrang niyang daling gawin. And I will just add my garlic. 6 cloves of garlic. And I will add here my ginger. Pero yung ginger ko, I'm going to cut it into small pieces na rin. So what I will do, I will add dalawang Thai chilies. Here. I will remove the stems. Pero kung ayaw mo masyadong maanghang, yung gagawin mo, tatanggalin mo yung seeds, no? Kasi yung seeds talaga yung maanghang. And the leeks, the white part and part of the green. Yung dulo ng aking leeks, gagawin kong pang-garnish later. Ito siya. I will just season with a little bit of salt. Asin. So, we're making sort of a paste. Ako, mas masarap pa nga ito kung mas maraming sili, di ba? And I will just add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Very simple na chili garlic, but more garlic and ginger. Ito kasi siya, this will really complement the flavor of the seafood, no? Sobrang ganda ng ating recipe, sobrang simple to do. And now, I can arrange my shrimp, no, on my air fryer. Look at that, no? The base of my air fryer. And ito, maraming sizes tong air fryers natin. So, you don't have to worry. Dalawang tao na ulam. May pang isang buong pamilya. So, look at that, no? I just want to show you guys. We will drizzle our marinade, no? So that it will steam, no? It will steam the shrimp. Yan. So, let's continue to blend together our spice mix. And look at that, no? Sobrang easy ng ating recipe. Silipin natin ating chicken. Look at that. Check. Wow, ang ganda ng ating chicken, no? So, a little bit more. And babalik ta rin natin siya, no? And ito yung aking shrimp. And I will just drizzle. Ito yung ginawa kong paste over my shrimp. And you don't have to worry kasi itong ating camel chopper is made of glass. So, if you rinse it out, natatanggal talaga yung amoy. This will cook for around 15 minutes. And I will cook it at 160 degrees. Yan. Ito maganda, may thermostat. And cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. So, ito ang sikreto natin dito para hindi mag-dry yung ating hipon is number 1, di ba yung extra marinade ko nasa ilalim? So, it will continue to steam the shrimp while it's cooking. And secondly, it's covered in our oil chili paste. That will be very moist, no? And of course, don't overcook your shrimp. Kaya may timer and thermostat tayo dito. And I will just show you. Look at that, no? Ang ganda na niya. It's turning nice golden color. But gusto ko kasi even yung pag-brown. So what I will do now, babaliktarin ko siya, no? Babaliktarin ko siya para maluto siya fully on both sides. Then ibabalik naman natin. So parang dalawang baliktad tayo. Una, skin side, then yung loob niya, then ibabalik naman natin yung skin side later so that we will glaze it with our honey. We will cook this for around 10 minutes. Continue to cook at 200 degrees. And now is the time we will make our very nice honey glaze. So, honey, my love, so sweet. So, anong gagawin natin? Again, we start off with soy sauce. I will just use around a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is too much. And I will add honey. And I will add a little bit of sesame oil para very Asian ang ating flavors. Put a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. Sobrang dali ng ating recipes and it's easier because we are just using our air fryer, no? Look at that, no? Mix everything together. So, sobrang bango na ng ating chicken, ng ating kusina because the shrimp is almost done. And my chicken, di ba binaliktad ko siya to cook the underside. But now, babalik ko rin siya para maluto ulit yung skin, para maging very nice and crispy yung ating skin. Wow, look at that, no? Beautiful, no? Ito yung honey glaze ko. Yan, ito. Magiging sobrang mabango to. Yan. And all the drippings are collected underneath, no? So ito siya. Look at that, no? Oh, the juices are there. And my shrimp is already done. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh, look at that, no? And all the sauces are there. Look at that. And now I will remove it and I will arrange it into my plate. It's steaming hot, no? Yan. So pati yung marinade ko nandito na sa aking air fryer. Walang nasayang. All the juices are there. Look at that, oh. And I will just pour it into my serving plate. Natatakam na sila. Sisilipin natin yung ating manok, ha? Yan. I will brush it a second time. Alam mo, ang maganda kasi sa air fryer, ang ganda kasi niya magluto ng skin. No? Very even. Pag nag-prepare ka dito, nakaka-proud. Parang, wow, ang galing mo magluto. Yan. Yan. Feeling mo, sobrang mong galing magluto, di ba? Tadan! And we will have our extra sauce on the side. Masasarap pa itong ating dipping sauce because hindi to sasayangin natin yung ating drippings, no? So instead of gravy, automatic meron ka ng dipping sauce na masarap. And ilalagay na natin yung ating honey sauce in the middle. So guys, kung gusto nyong bumili ng ating Camel Air Fryer, it's available in Lazada. Idamay nyo na rin yung ating Simple Kitchen Secrets Cookbook. Here is our honey glazed roast chicken using our Camel Air Fryer and of course, our chili garlic ginger shrimp. Simple!